Hearsay is an out-of-court statement offered for the truth of the matter asserted. Hearsay typically isn't admissible in court. State v. Shaw explores two exceptions to this general rule. J.W.H., whom we'll call the victim, rode with a group of acquaintances, including James Shaw and Joseph Whitehat, to a rural area to drink beer. Certain members of the group attacked the victim. They kicked him, shoved his face into a pool of water, and slit his throat. The state charged Shaw and Whitehat in connection with the attack. Whitehat pleaded guilty, but Shaw went to trial. During an interview, the victim told police that Whitehat held his head underwater and slit his throat. At the preliminary hearing, the victim testified on direct that both Shaw and Whitehat kicked him. On cross-examination, the victim admitted that he couldn't tell for sure who'd kicked him. On redirect, the victim clarified that both Shaw and Whitehat kicked him. At trial, the victim testified that both Shaw and Whitehat attacked him. Shaw's counsel impeached the victim with his allegedly inconsistent statements from the police interview and the preliminary hearing. The trial court instructed the jury that it could consider the victim's prior inconsistent statements or acts in assessing his credibility, but that it couldn't consider any such statements for the truth of the matter asserted. The jury convicted. Shaw appealed to the South Dakota Supreme Court.